Welcome back, guys. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos. Just got the giggles. And today's something a little bit special. We're just gonna have a little bit of fun today. No tutorials or anything like that. Just something fun and kind of outside of the box. Yes, with maybe one of these colors. I am joined today with my special co-host. This is Molly, my daughter.
Tomorrow's my birthday.
Yes, tomorrow's your birthday. That's right. So she is actually helping me today pick out my colors. I have no idea. She didn't even know until she came in here that she was helping me. So she's gonna help me pick 2 colors for my Bad Ombre challenge that we're doing today. Now the Bad Ombre challenge, as you guys may know, Jessica Flynn reached out to a bunch of different YouTubers and asked them to participate in this. Just like I said, something fun to do, you know, outside of doing tutorials. She invited a bunch of amazing other YouTubers. I'll put them all into the description below so that you guys can go check out their Bad Ombres as well. Now I also put hashtag Bad Ombre down here under the video there, and you can go click on that and you can actually see all the other people that participated as well, because there was a bunch of other YouTubers that participated in this as well. So go check everybody out, go subscribe, go love their stuff, and I'm ready to have some fun today. Okay, so Molly, I need you to pick out 2 colors. Whatever colors you want, it does not matter. Pick two. Okay, the green one.
I wish there was dark green.
I don't have, yeah. I didn't have the dark green. All right, so green, and what else? I need 2 colors. What do you think?
Do you have any red?
Red? You want green and red?
Yeah, red.
Okay. I have red over there that I just got. See it on the end there?
Well, not because of Christmas, because I like these colors.
Okay, so these are the 2 colors you want me to do my ombre? Okay. Oh boy. All right. So that ought to be pretty interesting. So as you guys know, I have to be completely blindfolded for this. So I'm going to be blindfolded doing the ombre, and I'm going to be blindfolded for the glitter as well, which you're going to pick as well. I need glitters to go with my paints. Okay, so can you do that for me? Can you help me out with that? All right, well, let's take these paints and head outside. I already have my prepped tumbler here, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, I made a loud noise. So we'll see how this goes. All right? Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, I got my cup here, and I'm gonna have Molly hand me colors. I have no idea where she wants her colors, so I won't know until I take my blindfold off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my blindfold on. Well, I'm gonna take my glasses off, so I'm gonna be super blind doing this. Not only will I not have glasses, but this will be up too. So, all right, you take that. All right, here we go.
Okay.
I can't see. Am I on the screen, Molly? Can people Am I on the screen?
Yes.
I hope the neighbors don't see me. All right, so you're gonna hand me the color, and then I'm gonna want you to walk away so that way I can spray paint, so you're not all up in the spray paint, okay? So go ahead and hand me my first color.
This is gonna be on the top.
This is gonna be the top color?
Okay. Yeah.
Are you handing? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Charlotte, stand back.
Yeah, you guys walk over there so I can spray paint. Are you guys away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
Do
Am I
right there?
You want it here?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. All right, that's the first one. Okay. Now,
Thank you.
okay.
Now the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, stand back, Charlotte.
Okay, I think I did it. Did I do a good job, Molly? Do I not want to see it? Oh my gosh. All right, well, there's that. Here, let me have my glasses. Oh my gosh, that is the most beautiful ombre I've ever seen in my life.
But the bottom.
We're going with it. That's how it's gonna look. Okay. All right, we're back inside. This is nice and dry. Molly picked out 2 colors for me. She picked out Lucky and Crush, which actually, I mean, who knows? Hope, you know, might turn this ombre around. I don't know. But in order for Molly to, oh, I'm shaking stuff. In order for Molly to be able to be in here with me so that way I can do this, I'm going to use Mod Podge, which I typically don't like using Mod Podge on anything. I like to use the epoxy method, but because I want her to be a part of it, I'm going to do Mod Podge. So I'm going to be blindfolded for the Mod Podge, blindfolded for the ombre. I have 2 sheets of paper here.
Wait, lay them out. So,
Well, yeah. But the thing is, I don't know why I'm trying to do this because I'm pretty sure it's probably just going to go everywhere. But I'm going to do my best to try to save it.
like all the stuff on the table. So
I'm going to go ahead and put my blindfold back on. I'm going to start with my tumbler, and I'm going to get my... I can't remember where I put stuff. I just have my little dollar store makeup brush for my glue. Okay.
Good.
I'm gonna move my paper out of the way so I don't get glue all over my paper. I don't know why I'm trying to save anything. Okay, so first I want to get my glue on. Okay. Do I have enough glue on my... Yeah, see, this is going great, guys. I'm really hoping that I'm getting it all over my tumbler. Grab my papers.
Okay. Oh, this one on the top.
You want this one on the top?
Yeah.
Okay. This is so weird because I typically don't do my stuff at this angle. I'm standing up usually. I'm gonna try to make it look nice. Okay, so that's on the top.
Yeah, that's the top. Yeah. That's the top. That's the top.
I know. I'm just trying to figure it out. It's hard to. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna try to make it look proper. All right, here we go. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
I can't even hear it. Is it coming out onto the cup?
Not really anymore.
Okay.
It's not coming out.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn it around.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the big side. That's going out.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I just feel it. It's gonna be amazing. I'm hoping okay. Am I on, is it getting on the cup?
Yeah.
I can't hear it. All right, I don't know, what do you think, Malls?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't believe you. All right, I'm just gonna kind of shake it off a little bit. Hopefully I'm on my paper. All right, let's take a look. I'm afraid. Oh my goodness.
It looks like a Dorito kind of.
It does look like a Dorito. There it is, guys. Oh my goodness.
Some of the Dorito does, like...
My Dorito tumbler. Thank you, Molly, for having me make a Dorito tumbler. Oh man, I really missed some gaps there too. Oh, those colors really, I was a little nervous. That's not too bad.
Wow, look at the whole pile.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know why I tried to save that. Maybe I'll mix that together and I'll give it to you and you can do something with it. Wow! Yay! I get mom's glitter. I'm gonna let that dry and then we're gonna get it epoxied up, okay guys? Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna let this finish up and I'll make sure to post a photo of it after I'm all done because I want to put you know, a quote and stuff on there. What kind of quote do you think I should put on there? Bad Ombre challenge. Should we put a Dorito on it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'll make sure to put that into the community tab on my YouTube channel there. And I also want to say thank you so very much, Jessica Flynn, for reaching out to me and having me participate in this challenge here, right? What do we say? We say thank you.
Thank you.
You want to know why this is probably my most favorite tumbler?
Why?
Because I made it with you. So I will always have the memory of us making this together. Okay, I love you. Happy early birthday.
Whoa.
All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.